This is the Flex FX1371A-2B 24-volt quarter-inch quick eject impact driver. But before we dive into some details, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We'll start with the sensor-free brushless motor. Now what the f does that mean? Well, I asked the same thing, so let me break it down for you. Basically, by removing the 3 Hall effect sensors in the brushless motor, you're actually making more room for a bigger motor or a smaller tool body. You also have less of a chance of error by removing the sensors from the extra wiring in the tool, resulting in a more durable and powerful motor. Now let's talk torque. Flex offers up to 2,500 inch-pounds of it in this bad boy, plus 3 speed modes. Your first setting will get you a screw in the drywall, then jump to your third setting and you're putting lugs back on your diesel. With these 3 different speed modes, you'll have all the power and control you need. In addition to the speed modes, this impact also has 2 self-tapping screw modes. When in self-tapping mode, basically the motor will recognize the torque change as you start to put the screw in or tighten a bolt. It will then adjust itself to avoid over-tightening, breaking, or stripping a self-tapper. This impact features a unique quick eject button for quick and easy bit changes. So far, this is my personal favorite method as far as bit changes go. The eject button is right above the trigger, which is what pushes the collet forward to its open position to replace the bit. You keep the tool in one hand and eject, but it doesn't launch the bit across the room in the process. Quick and easy. From what we've seen and heard, this thing has gotten some great reviews, and users seem to love it. Most people recommend this product, saying that it's much stronger and much more durable than the other brands they've tried in the past. It's compact and comfortable, but it's a tough drill and it gets the hard jobs done and can take a drop or two. Pretty sweet, right? I know. Pricing and purchase links are right below in the description. Leave a comment if I missed anything or if you have any questions. And as always, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay up to date on all things OPT.